Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A potentially groundbreaking addition to the luxury recreational vehicle industry, the 2026 Tesla Superior Class Motorhome is set to raise the bar for electric mobility in the context of mobile lifestyle. Although Tesla hasn't yet revealed a particular model, the idea fits very well with the company's innovative trajectory and its goal of electrifying every aspect of transportation. The term Superior Class itself suggests an unmatched degree of opulence, cutting-edge technology, and environmental awareness. The 2026 Tesla Superior Class Motorhome would mostly be constructed on an electric vehicle (EV) chassis, utilizing Tesla's established proficiency in energy management, electric powertrains, and battery technologies, along with quick charging through Tesla's supercharger network and possibly improved destination charging options. This would allow for a longer range, a critical component of a motorhome. An EV platform's built-in benefits, such as silent operation, instant torque, and zero exhaust emissions, would significantly improve travel and provide a calm and sustainable experience. Without a doubt, the outside design would showcase Tesla's unique futuristic yet minimalist style. Anticipate sleek looks, flush door handles, and maybe cutting-edge aerodynamic elements intended to maximize range and minimize drag. As is typical of Tesla's design language, panoramic glass features would probably be incorporated to provide vast vistas of the surroundings and to flood the inside with natural light. The overall style would be sleek and contemporary, setting it apart from traditional, frequently boxy motorhome designs. The Superior Class Motorhome's interior would live up to its moniker. It would be an upscale, technologically advanced living area created for the utmost in ease and comfort. From recycled composite surfaces to vegan leather upholstery, expect high-quality, eco-friendly materials throughout. The arrangement would probably be quite adaptable and changeable, maybe including furniture that is modular and can be rearranged for different purposes, such as dining, sleeping, or living. Everything from lighting and climate management to entertainment and appliance operation would be managed by a fully integrated smart home system that is operated by voice commands and a sizable central touchscreen interface that resembles the dashboards of Tesla cars. Smooth communication and streaming from distant areas would be ensured by high-speed internet connectivity, possibly through Starlink integration. In addition to standard facilities, the Superior Class Motorhome would probably have cutting-edge innovations like an energy-efficient induction kitchen, an opulent spa-like shower, and a versatile sleeping configuration that could house several people without sacrificing comfort or space. Using Tesla's cutting-edge autopilot and full self-driving FSD software, autonomous driving would be a standout feature. It would enable hands-free highway cruising and even automated parking, which would greatly lessen driver fatigue on lengthy trips. Setting a new standard for luxury and innovation in the RV industry, the 2026 Tesla Superior Class Motorhome would be more than just a means of transportation. It would be a mobile, connected, and sustainable living space. It would appeal to sophisticated people looking for a nomadic lifestyle that is technologically sophisticated, environmentally conscientious, and beautifully crafted.